Now, I'm convinced that this paradigm, autonomous agents with defined roles running on their own machines, I think this is here to stay. Well, sitting on my desk is a new Mac Mini that I set up just for the purpose of running my team of AI agents using OpenClaw. I've got a developer, a marketer, a project manager, a system admin. They each have their own personality. They've got a queue of tasks tracked in this custom dashboard that I built. And I'm chatting with them in Slack, just like I would with my real team members, except they're agents powered by OpenClaw and various large language models. What a time this is. But getting this up and running was not a plug and play situation. Over the past week and many late nights, I had to figure out my answers to question after question, some technical, some strategic. Like, should I order a new Mac Mini or can I run OpenClaw on a VPS? And what's this going to cost me in API tokens? And can I use my Claude Max plan? And what chat tool is best for my agents? Telegram or WhatsApp or Slack? Should I have it power one agent or can I set up a team of agents? And am I going to need a custom dashboard for managing them? And let's not forget about security. What should my agents be able to access and how should I think about safeguards? And most importantly, what's my use case here? What will I have my team of agents actually do for me? So today I'll share where I've landed on all of those questions and I'll show you my setup for all of it. To be honest, I didn't see the appeal of OpenClaw at first. Back when it was called ClaudeBot and then Moltbot, and it was buzzing around Twitter a couple weeks ago, everyone was talking about having their agent respond to their emails for them or book flights or order takeout. And I don't want or need an AI agent in my personal life, and I don't even want it to manage my calendar. But then I started thinking about a real challenge that I've been having in my business and how setting up OpenClaw could help me solve it. I run this YouTube channel and Builder Methods Pro on my courses and a weekly newsletter. And thanks to things like Claude Code, of course, building things has never been easier, but building it is only half of what I do. I develop training content, I manage a publishing pipeline, and I oversee my membership business. But lately, I've been bottlenecked. There's so much more that I want to create and deliver if only I had the bandwidth. In my past businesses, I solved this by hiring real teams and building processes to help us scale. And that worked. But the overhead was real too. So when I gave OpenClaw another look, I asked a different question. Not, do I want a personal assistant, but what if this could fill roles on my team? And now I'm convinced that this paradigm, autonomous agents with defined roles running on their own machines, I think this is here to stay. Now, OpenClaw is just the first generation of what I think will be much bigger. So I want to be figuring this out now. And maybe this video can help you get started too.